Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are turning milk into plastic. You need 1 cup of milk. Heat the milk in a safe container until it's hot. Like 1 to 2 minutes, the milk should be steaming. Add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar to the warm milk. Mix gently. The acid in the vinegar will break down the protein in the milk called casein. You can see the clumps called curds. Strain in a strainer with a paper towel. My mom helped me strain it. Squeeze out the excess liquid. Use food coloring and glitter to make designs. Use cookie cutters to make different shapes. Allow it to dry. 2 days later, they are completely dry. You can turn them to jewelry.